Good morning. This is Trader X4 from Red Knight Trading. This morning, I'm going to show you how to download a template, put it into your Metatrader 4 templates folder, and then load it. Okay, so assuming that you've been to the website, wherever template is that you are after, and you've downloaded it, generally all downloads will be in your download folder. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this is my download folder, and I've just downloaded this template called Power Levels. Okay, so I'm going to right click on it, I'm going to go copy. Okay, so now I can close this. Okay, I'm going to come here to File, Open Data Folder. I'm going to go to Templates. I'm just going to right click anywhere in a space. I'm going to go right click and go Paste. Now in my case, because I've already got this in my templates folder, is asking me if I want to copy and replace. So for now I'm going to go no, because it's already there. Otherwise it would just copy straight into the templates folder. Okay, once you've done that, you can close these windows. Okay, and then what you do is you close your Metatrader 4 platform and then restart it again. Reason for that is because when you restart it again, the platform will pick up the new template that you have installed. Okay, so once I've done that and I've got my chart open, I'm going to go to Chart, I'm going to go to Template, I'm going to Load Template, and the one that I installed was called Power Level. So let's go and look for Power Levels template. I'm going to go double click, and there's my template that I installed. Okay, so that basically is it, how to install a template. This is Red Knight Trader X4 from Red Knight Trading, showing you how to install a template into the Metatrader 4 platform. Cheers for now. Bye bye.